So today I want to take a moment just to show you our fabulous new website, wholebodysolutions.org. So right here in the top of my browser, I have wholebodysolutions.org typed in, and just like if you were to go ahead and type in, I'm going to press enter. We're going to let the page reload. You'll take a look. This is our home screen that will pop up for you. It's a beautiful new website that we had redesigned, and it allows you the opportunity to shop online and get to know our practice a little bit more from a distance. So I want to show you first this area. When you pop up, you'll notice it says shop online. We also have the shop feature here where it says shop online. You press either this one or the drop down and you will get to the same page. When you click on the shop online, you'll notice that we have the featured products. We have some by standard process. We have a variety of others that will rotate into this area from time to time. When you hover over the products section, you'll notice we have standard process and Metagenics. I'm going to go ahead and click on standard process. Once we get to the standard process page, you'll take note that we have a wide array of all of our standard process products. Some of those that you may have come to know and love by shopping in store are now available online. I'd like to pay note that we do not have all of our products available online, as they are provider specific and there are certain regulations on a given product. So if you do not see a product, please don't hesitate to call our front desk at 617-328-6300 or just shoot us an email, frontdesk@wholebodysolutions.org. I want to also show you in this page we have a Shop by Health Challenge feature, and we've got the aches and soreness, adrenal support, anti-aging, and if you click on any one of these, it will bring up all the products within the standard process line that help to support that specific health challenge. Now I'm going to go ahead and navigate over to the Metagenics page. I've clicked on Metagenics. The first thing that I want to pay note of is we've got the scroll bar on the main page right here, and also the scroll bar on the Metagenics page. If you've shopped with us previously as an in-house client, you'll note that this is the same exact website Metagenic had provided us previously. We've just had it built into our page for your convenience. You're going to go ahead and click on Buy Products. Just note that if you do buy something on the Metagenics page, that it may not necessarily ship directly from our website. It will ship from Metagenics directly. So there is a separate checkout on this page than there would be on the standard process or our main page. And when you get here, you'll notice that all of the products that Metagenics carries for the most part are listed on this site. And if you take a look, you will go ahead and click on it. Phyto Multi is one of the products that they offer. One of the fundamental differences here is that they do offer the subscription based. So you can click on it, and if it's a product that you know that you're going to be ordering pretty routinely, you can go ahead and have it shipped every 45 days, every 2 months, every 3 months, whatever works for you. Okay. The other last thing that I'd like to show you on here is, just like our regular main page, we do have the Shop by Health Challenge. So if this is something that you're looking for, if you're looking for women's health, you would simply click on the women's health page and it will bring up the related products. That is our fabulous new website. And if you have any questions at all, please don't hesitate to reach out to us, front desk at wholebodysolutions.org, or if you're having any difficulties navigating the site, 617-328-6300. We'd be more than happy to help, and we are so excited to offer you our great line of products online.